Top 5 Best Lightweight Transport Wheelchair. Number 5. Majestic Electric Wheelchairs for Adults. Majestic Electric Wheelchair offers the power and durability of a motorized wheelchair, combined with a lightweight design ideal for travel. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this chair weighs just 49 pounds, excluding the battery, but can support up to 330 pounds. The Majestic features a dual-engine system with a 500 watts motor and a 12 amp-hour battery, allowing for a range of up to 13 miles on a single charge. This wheelchair is designed for all terrains, with a small turn radius that allows easy maneuvering in tight spaces. The Majestic folds in seconds, fitting easily into most car trunks, and the battery is removable for charging. This electric wheelchair's design emphasizes both comfort and functionality, with padded seating and elevated footrests for a more ergonomic fit. Additionally, the wheelchair is airline approved, making it a top choice for those who travel frequently. With a 3-year warranty on the frame and motor, plus a 1-year warranty on parts and battery, Majestic ensures a long-lasting investment in user mobility and independence. The Majestic electric wheelchair is perfect for those who desire the freedom of a powered wheelchair without the bulk or weight of traditional electric models. This model excels in both aesthetics and practicality, ideal for users who need reliable, all-terrain support for daily and travel needs. Coming in number 4. Drive Medical SSP118 FASF Silver Sport 1 Folding. This lightweight, folding wheelchair from Drive Medical is engineered for ease of transport. Weighing only 37.6 pounds, it features a carry pocket on the backrest and folding back canes, which make storage and travel hassle-free. Constructed from a powder-coated silver veined steel frame, the Silver Sport 1 combines strength with style, providing a visually appealing yet functional mobility solution. The chair's padded arms and nylon upholstery add comfort for long-term use, while the urethane tires mounted on composite wheels ensure low maintenance and durability. The Silver Sport 1 offers a weight capacity of 250 pounds and includes push-to-lock wheel locks, giving users greater control over their mobility. Its dimensions, 43.5 inches in length, 24 inches in width, and 36 inches in height, ensure it can comfortably support users while still fitting through most standard doorways. This model is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable, easy-to-transport wheelchair that is comfortable and well-built for daily use. Coming in number 3. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair. At just 41 pounds, the Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair offers a balanced blend of durability and comfort. Its 18-inch seat, flip-back desk arms, and swing-away footrests make this wheelchair suitable for daily use, allowing users to transition easily from one environment to another, including desks or tables. The durable tires feature a push-to-lock mechanism, which enhances safety while ensuring a stable and smooth ride. Despite its robust construction, the Blue Streak folds to a compact 12.5-inch width for convenient storage and transport. The single-axle design provides an easy-to-maneuver experience, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, the Drive Medical Blue Streak is dependable and sturdy, accommodating users with varied mobility needs. This chair is perfect for individuals who want a portable wheelchair that is durable yet comfortable, offering good support with added safety features for secure travel and daily navigation. Coming in number 2. Excursion 12 Plus AB Lightweight Folding Wheelchair. The Strongback Excursion 12 Plus AB combines lightness with ergonomic design for superior comfort and posture support. Its adjustable posture support, ergonomic handles, and desktop-length armrests are patented features that prevent slouching and back strain during use. With its 300-pound weight capacity, the Strongback provides a reliable, lightweight solution for individuals with mobility needs, especially in challenging terrain. The chair's swing-away detachable footrests and attendant brakes add to its versatility, making it suitable for both urban and off-road environments. This wheelchair's award-winning ergonomic design makes it easy to store and transport, ensuring hassle-free mobility. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Strongback Excursion 12 Plus AB promises durability and support without sacrificing portability. It is ideal for those seeking a lightweight wheelchair that offers exceptional back support and overall ergonomic comfort. Coming in number 1. Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair for Adults. Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair is designed with travelers and caregivers in mind. Weighing only 19 pounds, this wheelchair is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The compact fold design allows it to fit in most car trunks or back seats, making it easy to transport. With a 19-inch seat, swing-away leg rests, and desk-length cushioned armrests, this chair offers comfort for extended use. Constructed from durable materials, the chair has a 300-pound weight capacity and requires no assembly, making it accessible right out of the box. A user who has spinal stenosis and travels frequently praised the Medline Ultra Lightweight for its convenience and functionality. They could lift and transport it without assistance, something that was challenging with their 50-pound traditional wheelchair. The ability to handle the chair solo allowed this user to independently navigate airports and connect with their travel companion across the country. The review highlighted its sturdy construction, smooth folding, and easy setup, making this chair a practical choice for users seeking an ultra-light, travel-friendly option.